Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's story takes us deep down into the sparkling blue ocean, where a little jellyfish named Jelly was feeling anything but calm. Jelly was a beautiful creature, his body like a translucent pink balloon with trailing, shimmering tentacles. But unlike his friends who drifted serenely in the current, Jelly was a nervous fellow. He jittered at every sound, from the snap of a shrimp's claw to the rumble of a passing fish. One day, a big, friendly sea turtle named Shelly saw Jelly trembling. "What's wrong, little one?" she asked gently. Jelly, his voice quivering, explained his fear of everything. Shelly chuckled with a soft whoosh of water. "The ocean is full of amazing things, Jelly. Don't let fear keep you from seeing them." Shelly then had an idea. She took Jelly on a tour, introducing him to all the wonders of the sea. They met a family of playful dolphins, their clicks and whistles making Jelly giggle for the first time. They swam past coral reefs, bursting with vibrant colors and strange, wiggling creatures. With each new discovery, Jelly felt a bit less jittery. He even touched a prickly sea star, letting out a surprised giggle when it tickled his tentacles. By the end of their adventure, Jelly was a changed jellyfish. He still felt a little nervous sometimes, but now he remembered Shelly's words. He swam with more confidence, exploring the wonders of the ocean without letting his jitters take over. So the next time you feel a little scared, remember Jelly the jellyfish. Take a deep breath, explore the world around you, and you might just discover that there's more to be excited about than scared of. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures.